we see an electric vehicle for all of us. For the contractor, for the small business owner, for the fleet operator, for the next generation. We see something that is part of everyday life, for everyday America. And what was once just a lifestyle vehicle is now a pickup truck, a multi-purpose delivery vehicle, a new way to explore, entirely engineered by CANOO. For the first owner, the second, the third, the fourth. We see functional design, productivity, and affordability. We see cleaner air, more space, more return on investment. That's how we're building electric vehicles for everyone. CANOO.